given that f of x is equal to x over e to the power of x minus x, then f has, so let's take a look at the multiple choice. They're talking about horizontal asymptotes and vertical, and that's actually all they talk about here, right? Okay, so that means we need to investigate the number of vertical asymptotes and the number of horizontal. Vertical asymptotes, we get that if the bottom, so 2 e to the power of x minus x is equal to 0. Okay, so this one, you can't do this algebraically. Okay, so hopefully you know what e to the power of x looks like and what x looks like. So y equals e to the power of x, right? Y equals e to the power of x. When it's 0, it's 1, and when it's 1, it's e. E is about close to 3, so about 2.7. So it looks like this. And of course, y equals x. It's a line with slope of 45 degrees like this. So you can see that they actually do not intersect. Right? So this question right here is asking, for what value of x do they intersect? They don't. Okay, so there's no solution to this this equation here. No solution. That means there's no vertical asymptote. So let's cross out anything that says there's more than no vertical asymptote. So the one vertical asymptote, this can't be true, this can't be true. Okay, so A and C are out of the question. So now the question is, do we have one horizontal, no horizontal, or two horizontal? Okay. Okay, so how is it possible that we can get two horizontal? It's because x can approach infinity or x can approach minus infinity. Okay, so let's consider the limit. X approaches to infinity, x over e to the power of x minus x. Now we have to do this by L'Hopital's rule. So let's differentiate the top and bottom by let's differentiate top and bottom with respect to x, and we get 1 e to the power of x minus 1. Okay, so as x grows really large, that will grow really large. So this will approach 0. Okay, so taking this exact same thing, if you have limit x is approaching minus infinity, right, we're gonna also get 0. Okay, which means there's only one horizontal asymptote. Okay, so from the right side, it's actually approaching from the top. On the left side, it's approaching from the bottom. Okay, but still, there's only one horizontal asymptote. So the answer is B.